Hey, this is Alta Sierra Math 7, looking at some of the extra worksheets you guys get in class. This is Simplify Algebraic Expressions, Lesson 5 homework practice here. And we're going to go through and do the odd problems together today. Again, I'm not doing them all because I want you to be able to do some of them on your own as well, because that's part of the learning process. So here we go. So first of all, it says write each expression in simplest form, which means we're going to combine like terms, like we talked about before, and get this down to the fewest terms possible. So we have an h and a 6h. Now that h, remember, is standing for 1h plus 6h. Now because they both have the h as the same variable, then we simply combine 1 plus 6, which combine to make 7 h's altogether. For number 3, we can see we have a 3b and we have a 2b, and then we also have this 8 right there. So our like terms are going to be the 3b plus the 2b, and then we have our regular constant value of an 8. So I can combine these like terms here. 3 plus 2 becomes 5b, and the 8 just stays an 8 by itself. Number 5, we're dealing with some negative numbers, and we also have some different variables. Here we can see we have a negative y, here we have a negative 16y, and over here we have a plus 9z and a minus 25z. So let's rewrite this real quick. This becomes like a negative 1y minus 16y plus 9z minus 25z. So now when I combine like terms, I can combine the y's together. I have a minus 1, a negative 1, minus 16. Now again, these signs are the same, so I'm going to find the sum. 16 plus 1 is 17, and I'm going to keep this sign the same, so that becomes a negative 17y. And here I have the z ones here, so z and z. Now in this case here the signs are different, so I'll find the difference. 25 minus 9, which is 16, and I'll keep the one that has the greater absolute value. In this case happens to be a negative, so we'll keep it a minus 16z, and that's my simplified form for that one. For number 7, we have 7n, we have 4n, and then we have these constant, minus 8 and plus 2. So rewriting it, I have 7n plus 4n minus 8 plus 2. We can combine our like terms. 7 plus 4 becomes 11n, and then a minus 8 plus 2 more becomes a negative 6. It's real important you're able to do that part there. Alright, number 9. Again, looking for like terms, we have a constant starting off here, 12. I have another over there, negative 10 or minus 10, so 12 minus 10. And then we have minus 9e and then plus 4e. So we'll start here and do 12 minus 10, which is 2. Then I have negative 9 plus 4. Again, these signs are different, so I find the difference and keep the bigger sign. So I look at 9 minus 4 is actually 5. So I'm going to have 5e, and which one's a greater absolute value? Negative 9 or positive 4? The negative 9 is. So we make that minus 5e. Number 11, we have 6n and we have 3n, and over here we have a minus 3p and a plus 5p. So rewriting that, I have 6n plus 3n minus 3p plus 5p. Combining like terms, I have 6n plus 3n, which is a total of 9n's, and then I have 5 minus 3, which is going to give me a regular old 2p right there. For the ones down below, we have to find the perimeter, and it says write the expression simplest form for the perimeter of each figure. So the perimeter is going to be a combination of all the sides, okay? So we're just going to simply add them up. So I have a 4x minus 3. I have a plus 4h plus 6 plus 2x plus 5h. So now let's find some like terms. Here's a 4x and a 2x. So we can group those up. 4x plus 2x. We have a 4h and a 5h. Let's group those up. So plus 4h plus 5h. And then we have some constants. We have a minus 3 and we have a plus 6. So you can see what I do is I just kind of put them kind of in different shapes. I had underlined the x, I circled the h's, and I made a triangle around the constants, just to help me know I got them all down there. Sometimes I might make a box instead of a line. Okay, so now we combine like terms. 4x plus 2x is going to be a total of 6x. 4h plus 5h is a total of 9h. And minus 3 plus 6 gives you a total of regular old 3. And that's our simplest form. Do the same thing for numbers 10 and 11. Just combine all the sides up and see what you come up with. Hope that helps you out a little bit, and we'll see you next time.